morning students, welcome back to SST class of 7th. In today's video, we will be studying about the subject enrichment chapter. जो आपका subject enrichment का chapter है उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. In our previous video, we had completed one subject enrichment chapter. Now also we are continuing with the next subject enrichment chapter जो कि है chapter number 4 आपका civics का gender issues. What do you mean by the word gender? Gender यानी कि लिंग, जो कि बताता है कि कोई पुरुष है या महिला, या लड़का है या लड़की. And issues means मुद्दे. So in today's video we will be studying about the gender issues between male and female, right? So let's get started. तो ये आपका subject enrichment chapter है. इसका मैं एक्सप्लेनेशन कर दूंगी, एक्सरसाइज डिस्कशन कर दूंगी. इसके नोट्स आपको खुद बनाने होमवर्क कॉपी में. आप इसको फेयर कॉपी में नहीं लिखोगे. ओनली यू हैव टू राइट पेन पेपर टेस्ट चैप्टर्स इन योर फेयर कॉपी. ओके, सो व्हाट इज सेक्स? सेक्स क्या होता है? इट इज द नेचुरल स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग बॉय और ए गर्ल. तो एक नेचुरल जो बायोलॉजिकल डिफरेंस होता है जो बताता है कि कोई लड़का है या लड़की, उसे हम सेक्स कहते हैं. देयर इज कॉमन डिफरेंस बिटवीन सेक्स एंड जेंडर. ठीक, दोनों इंटरचेंजेबली है. हमें लगता है एक है बट दोनों अलग है. तो और जेंडर क्या होता है? इट इज ए सोशियो कल्चरल ट्रेट. ये क्या जो जेंडर होता है इसे हम लिंग कहते हैं. ये किस पे बेस्ड होता है? बिहेवियर और सोशल कल्चरल ट्रेट्स पे डिपेंड करता है. जो हमारा सेक्स है वो बायोलॉजिकल है, उसकी हम देख के बता सकते हैं दैट इज बॉय और ए गर्ल. लेकिन जो हम सोशल डिफरेंस, पार्शियलिटी, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन करते हैं बेस्ड ऑन द जेंडर, दैट इज कल्चरल. ठीक, देन रूट ऑफ जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी. अब ये जो इनइक्वालिटी है, जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी है, वो क्यों है? व्हाई? The root causes our society. The root cause of this gender inequality जो भेदभाव होता है, the discrimination between female and male is our society and social factors. जो हमारी सोसाइटी पुराने टाइम से, सेंचुरी से जो चलती आई ट्रेडिशन, they are following that. Now, पानी रखनी ओडिशा ट्राइबल्स ऑनर गर्ल चाइल्ड थ्रू फेस्टिवल. तो कुछ ऐसे फेस्टिवल्स भी हैं, कुछ ऐसे ओकेशंस भी हैं जो गर्ल चाइल्ड को क्या करते हैं? फेवर करते हैं, उनको इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं. जैसे कि पानी रखनी फॉल्स इन द हिंदू मंथ ऑफ चैत्र. जो पानी रखनी एक फेस्टिवल है वो हिंदू मंथ यानी कि चैत्र, मार्च अप्रैल में पड़ता है. पेरेंट्स ऑफ गर्ल्स सीक ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ द ऑलमाइटी टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर डॉटर्स फ्रॉम इविल स्पिरिट्स. जो गर्ल पेरेंट्स है वो क्या करते हैं? ऑलमाइटी यानी गॉड की ब्लेसिंग्स लेते हैं टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर गर्ल फ्रॉम इविल स्पिरिट्स. तो इसमें क्या होता है? द ट्राइबल्स ऑफ ओडिशास. ओडिशा में एक ट्राइबल्स हैं आदिवासी ऑफ कोरापुट डिस्ट्रिक्ट. दे सेलिब्रेट ए फेस्टिवल टू ऑनर द गर्ल चाइल्ड एंड seek divine blessings from them. On this day what happens? The priest of the child give blessings and the girl child wear very good dresses, jewelry, they dance, they enjoy and they take the divine blessing of the god. So the tribals treat their girls very nicely. Hina Masturi Dolls Festival in Japan. See, it takes place on March 3rd and is celebrated as Girls Day. तो ये मार्च 3rd को मनाया जाता है and it is celebrated in Japan as a Girls Day. On this day, families pray for the happiness and prosperity of their daughters. On this day, family pray for their daughters that in life they should be always happy and prosperous. And this festival is celebrated in home as well as on the seashore. In the same way, our government has declared January 24th as the National Girls Child Day. And on this day, many events are organized for the girls and women. Okay? Now, gender inequality. अब ये gender मतलब लिंग and inequality मतलब असमानता. Why there is gender inequality? female feticide and infanticide and evil practices against women are gender discrimination. तो ये gender discrimination जो inequality है, जो भेदभाव है, वो क्यों है? Because female feticide, अब female मतलब कन्या and feticide मतलब भ्रूण हत्या and infanticide आपको पता ही है. So I will explain you what is feticide. The practice of killing young unborn human babies. So girl जो the practice, ऐसी practice जिसमें अगर पता चल जाता है कि वो लड़की है उसको माँ के गर्भ में ही मार देते हैं, that practice of killing unborn girl babies is called as female feticide. And infanticide, the practice of killing infants. Infants मतलब नवजात शिशु. Suppose अगर बच्चा हो गया and if she is a girl child, then also parents kill it. Okay? So भ्रूण हत्या जिसे हम कहते हैं. So infanticide, feticide and discrimination are the major issues of gender inequality. Okay? Now low sex ratio. अब ये क्या है? It means the number of females per thousand males. प्रति हजार मेल मतलब क्या? पुरुष पे जो महिला होती है उसे हम सेक्स रेशियो मानते हैं. ठीक है. Then हरियाणा, पंजाब एंड राजस्थान आर सम ऑफ द स्टेट्स विथ लो women सेक्स रेशियो. तो अगर आप इंडिया में देखेंगे तो कुछ ऐसे स्टेट्स हैं जैसे कि हरियाणा, पंजाब एंड राजस्थान वेयर द पेरेंट्स वांट ओनली मेल चाइल्ड, इसलिए वहाँ पे गर्ल का रेशियो क्या है? काफ़ी कम है एज कम्पेयर टू मेल. ओके. लो वैल्यू ऑफ हाउस एंड डोमेस्टिक वर्क. ठीक है. तो अगर आप देखेंगे विमेन आर गिवन लो वैल्यू, जो भी वो हाउस वर्क करती हैं या डोमेस्टिक वर्क जो दूसरों के घर में काम करती हैं उसके लिए उन्हें लो वेजेस मिलते हैं. सी विमेन आर कंसिडर्ड सूटेबल फॉर जॉब्स इन विच दे कैन बैलेंस बोथ होम एंड कैरियर. So women are considered suitable because they can carry the responsibilities of home as well as their career equally. ठीक है. See, they are means they can balance everything very nicely. The work and remuneration. What do you mean by the word remuneration? Remuneration means salary. ठीक है, जिसे हम तनख्वाह कहते हैं. So the work and remuneration given for the work done by women is valued lower as compared to man. जो भी work कोई women करती है उसकी जो तुलना होती है man से क्या होती है? कम होती है ना. And the salary is also given low as compared to men. As a homemaker अगर आप देखेंगे females घर पे दिन भर काम करती है, but then also they are considered आप घर में क्या करते हो. Even then males doesn't do anything, they take part in all the activities. उनका decision में matter करता है and they are very dominating. Now measures to achieve gender inequality. अब हम gender inequality को कैसे दूर कर सकते हैं? How we can remove it? First, various schemes to promote literacy among women. Our government has launched various schemes to promote literacy among women. आंगनबाड़ी स्टार्ट किए गए रूरल एरियाज में so that every girl child should get proper and compulsory education. Then the government is imparting training to women in latest technologies through STEP. और जो हमारी गवर्नमेंट है वो women को क्या करी? लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी की ट्रेनिंग दे रही है in the case of horticulture, dairy farming, pickle making, etc. through STEP. What is STEP? Support for Training and Employment Program. It is a program launched by the government to impart technology training for women. Then the constitution provides 1/3 reservation for women in local bodies. तो जो हमारी constitution है वो क्या कर रही है? 1/3 reservation भी देती है women को local bodies में, है ना. हर जगह उनको reservation मिलता है. Then the Rashtriya Mahila Kosh was established in 1993 for easy approval of credit to women. The Rashtriya Mahila Kosh means it is a fund providing you can say organization which provide monetary support, financial support to the women. अगर कोई women कोई अपना self business start करना चाहती है, she want to start any small scale business, then she can get loan from this Rashtriya Mahila Kosh to become self-dependent. So these are some measures that can be adopted to remove gender inequality from our society. And first of all, we have to bring change in our thinking. जब तक हम अपनी thinking में change नहीं लाएंगे, हमारा सोसाइटी कभी इम्प्रूव नहीं होगा. वी हैव कॉमनली ऑब्जर्व्ड इन आवर हाउस ऑल्सो कि जो हमारे भाई होते हैं या बॉय पापा होते हैं, दे आर नॉट टोल्ड टू डू एनी वर्क. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट वी आर टोल्ड टू डू ऑल द वर्क. ठीक है. So this was all about the chapter. I hope you have understood it well. And now we will be discussing the exercises of the chapter. So children, now we will discuss about the exercises of the chapter. So open your page number 239. The first question A is multiple choice questions. Tick the correct options. Question number 1 is, what is gender? The options are the physical attributes of men and women. B, gender means socially acquired traits connected with being male or female. And C, being an animal or human. The right option is gender means socially acquired traits connected with being male or female. That is option number B. Okay. Now question number 2. What is true about the status of women in earliest times? Options are A, women were considered to be personal possessions of men. Option B, women had no individuality. And option C, both A and B. So the right answer is option C, that is both A and B. Okay. Now come to question number B, that is state T for true and F for false statements. First one. From early childhood, girls are instilled with traits such as dependency and submissive, while boys are encouraged to be dominant as well as given more freedom. The answer is true. Okay. Then 2. People of two different generations within the same community grow up in different ways. The answer is true. Then 3rd. Female foeticide and infanticide and evil practices against women, widespread even in the 21st century, are examples of gender discrimination. The right answer is true. Question number 4. Household chores and caregiving is often not recognized by the society to be of any worth as it does not fetch any compensation. The right answer is true. Then 5th one, domestic work is an informal sector activity that provides employment opportunities to the lack of migrants and the salary is very high and satisfying. The answer is false, because the right answer is very low and unsatisfying. Now question number C, match the following. First one, Pani Rakni, that is in Odisha. Then Rashtriya Mahila Kosh, it was established in 1993. Then Haryana is the state with low sex ratio. Then March 8 is observed as International Women's Day. And Hinda Masturi is a dolls festival celebrated in Japan. Then again question number A, that is multiple choice questions. That is on page number 239. What is the meaning of the word sex? Option A, a boy. Option B, a girl. And option C is the natural state of being a girl or a boy. So right answer is option C, the natural state of being a boy or a girl. Now question number 2, that is dash rate is higher among girls in India. Option A is literacy. Option B, infant mortality. And option C, growth. The right answer is infant mortality. Mortality means death rate. Okay. Now short question answers, you have to do it yourself. Long question answers, that also you have to do by yourself. And higher order thinking skill questions, that's HOTS, that also you have to do by yourself. ये हमारा subject enrichment का chapter था. So I have explained it in short and I hope you have understood it well. तो इसके जितने भी exercises है that you have to fill in the book and send it as your homework. और जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं दैट यू हैव टू डू इन योर होमवर्क कॉपी. ओके, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ ग्रेट डे.